I wish I was taught this way of finding the greatest common factor when I was in school. It's called the Euclidean algorithm. Now, before we do the pen and paper version, let's take a look at the tactile version. Say I want to find the greatest common factor of 8 and 20. So here's what we do. We compare the stacks, take off the difference, and throw away one of the equal stacks. And then we repeat until we can't anymore. So we take off the difference, throw away one of the equal stacks, and compare. Take off the difference, throw away one of the equal stacks, and compare. Now, there's no difference anymore, so we're done. So the greatest common factor of 8 and 20 is 4. Now, here's what it looks like on pen and paper. We put the larger number on the left and the smaller number on the right. And we ask ourselves, how many 8s fit into 20? And that is 2 times with 4 remaining. And then what did we compare next? Well, we compared 8 and 4. So how many 4s fit into 8? 2, with 0 remaining. And with the Euclidean algorithm, the last non-zero remainder is the greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor of 8 and 20 is 4. Now, you might be saying, Howie, I could just look at this problem and say the answer is 4. Why are we doing all of this? Well, the Euclidean algorithm works really well with large numbers. For example, if you asked me to find the greatest common factor of 120 and 528, listing factors is going to take way too long, and factor tree is going to take a while as well. But with the Euclidean algorithm, you can find the greatest common factor in just a couple steps. So I love the Euclidean algorithm because you can always find the greatest common factor in just a couple steps. So if you want to try this out, remember that it's the numbers in these two positions that always go to the next equation. And you stop when you have 0 as a remainder, and the last non-zero remainder is your greatest common factor. Now, there's another strategy for finding the greatest common factor that I love, but that will be for another video.